Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I'm describing our new model, IDC Snap System. This is an IDC, or infectious disease control, headband with face shield. This is a unique system, never before on the market. It has many advantages over the common infectious disease control shields that you see in the market now. It's sold as 25 face shields plus one headband in the package. These face shields are reusable. They're designed specifically to be cleaned, washed, and can be disinfected with isopropyl alcohol. The headband itself can be cleaned and washed, and it also can be disinfected with isopropyl alcohol. The face shield snaps onto the headband where you see these blue fasteners here. No tools are required. It's just press on fit and pull off. The headband and the face shields are sold in a flat package. Here I have a headband assembled. You can see how the headband comes apart and is laid out flat as you would receive it. You simply place the straps through these slots. It's assembled and ready for action. The face shield itself has these two square holes. These two square holes snap over the headband in this position right here. And to take it off, you just peel it off. Face shield is a 0.015 thickness polycarbonate. Can be cleaned. Headband, you can disassemble it back to flat position, all ready to be cleaned, then reassembled with the face shield. The cost savings of this product are based on the concept that the face shields themselves are not disposable. They are reusable. So this product can be used over and over again by simply taking it apart and cleaning it. The headbands themselves are also cleanable so that you can use it over and over again. You'll have 25 face shields in one package and one of these headbands. The headband, as you see it here, is flat as you receive it, and then you just assemble it yourself right on site. Face shields snap on, snap off. Reuse the face shield 10 times, cleaning it with soap and water, and or cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol 91%. So with this cost savings, we calculate it's a 90% reduction in cost as compared to buying a standard IDC face shield that has the foam attached to it. Comfortable, lightweight, clearance for your mask, clearance for the goggles that you'll be wearing underneath it, and the or safety glasses that would be underneath it, and it meets all of the requirements for an IDC product. Thank you.